Kasi na-jump sa backstage. Manila yun sa Misli ba? Uy! Baka kumakahoy! Uy!
Proud na kayo.
Ikaw lalas na.
CR.
Ako ma'am, si ate ma'am.
Kay Lian? Ilang man po. Kasi naman mag-isuan mo.
Ma'am, t-shirt na mo.
Ang wala, nagitang ka na.
Tao ba? Walang tao.
Sure.
during their practices, but with their complete ensemble or their costumes. And of course, the most awaited float designs of each of our contingents. I know all of our festival goers are also excited to witness our ground presentation in a while. So please stay tuned mga higala, especially sa atong Facebook Live. Kay hapit lagi kita magsugod sa opisyal na programa ni hiling atong ground cultural presentation of Bukidnon dances and rituals.
Acknowledging the father, ang amahan sa lalawigan sa Bukidnon. Let's put the hands all together to the Honorable Governor Rogelio Neil P. Roque. That's our handsome governor. Huh? Di yan artista, governor yan namin. Na parang artista. Alright.
Welcome, Governor, Honorable Rogelio Neil O'Neil P. Roque.
And of course, with his very beautiful better half, the 4th Legislative District Representative,
Honorable Arnie Lavin Roque.
thank you so much. We are also acknowledging our representatives who might just be around. On the 1st District, the Honorable Jose Emmanuel F. Alba.
From the 2nd District, Honorable Jonathan Keith T. Flores.
And I believe that our former governor and now the 3rd District Representative would be with us today, the Honorable Jose Anilio Zabiri Jr. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dapat mag-check attendance tayo. We are acknowledging our mayors participating and even the who are with us. If you are here, please stand up and make a wave as well. From Bacolod, Mayor Honorable Rogelio P. Haraula and Vice Mayor Honorable Felipe W. Arturo.
From Batangasan, Honorable Lolita N. Buyeser and Vice Mayor Honorable Renata V. Ilocano.
From Bacolod, the Honorable Melino L. Puro and Honorable Alberto G. Salmasan.
From Dangkagan, Honorable Mark Vincent B. Dandasan and Honorable Fruto B. Dandasan Sr.
From Don Carlos, the Honorable Mayor Maria Victoria O. Pizarro and Vice Mayor the Honorable Jude Palmada.
From Impasuwong, Honorable Anthony A. Uy and Honorable Johnny A. Chavez.
Moving on to the Mayor of Caniquilan, Honorable Jerry A. Caroy Jr. and Vice Mayor the Honorable Segundo Tadeo Jr.
From Kanilangan, Honorable Attorney Raymond Char Ogacoa and Honorable Joel L. Pagsin.
From Kibawe, the Honorable Reynaldo S. Angrabanes and Honorable Raimundo Ataw Jr. Before we proceed to the next job, we would like to usher in first our city officials, headed by the Mayor, the Honorable Attorney J. Warren Pabiliaran and
Honorable Estelito R. Marabe.
the Vice Mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, from the city of Manay Balay. Together with the city councilors, make a way, councilors and officials. Kapasiti ang councilors na po.
Oh.
Hi, hello there. Ayan ang inyol. Kaya mga kailat na po tayo, no? Kailat mo naman. Hello, friends. Hi, hello there. Make some wave.
Make some noise and make some waves.
O nagtaas-taas pa ni sila, no? Ato ni sila ipasinggit, no? Sa usa ka makusog, mas